Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video about the BLUM project. Today, we're diving deep into several crucial aspects, including the anticipated price of the token, the exchanges it will be listed on, and the total supply expected for BLUM. We'll also discuss the listing dates on centralized exchanges and whether there will be any token burns or adjustments in supply. Plus, we'll explore the referral rewards and the risks of multiple accounts on this bot, along with potential reasons for bans. Stick around because you're going to gain a ton of valuable insights. Before we kick things off, don't forget to check out our Telegram channel for the latest updates and detailed information on all projects. You'll find the link in the description below and in the pinned comment. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our content. Right now, we're on the BingX platform, participating in the pre-sale for BLUM. As noted, the total supply of this token is set at 10 billion, though this number could change as the BLUM team has the capability to mint more tokens. It's important to remember that the TON network, which this project is built on, allows for both minting and burning of tokens at any time. So, while the current total supply is reasonable for a decentralized meme coin platform, it's subject to potential increases. The pre-sale minimum is 0.00001, with the current trading price around 0.07 cents, fluctuating between 0.01 and 0.02. Keep in mind, these figures are not final and may change as the team releases new data. Regarding the bot, there hasn't been an official announcement about removing or splitting tokens yet. As we can see from the roadmap, the goal was to reach a community of 30 million users. As of September 23rd, we've surpassed that with 70 million participants. The next steps involve launching the platform and distributing the airdrop, which is expected to happen between October and December, with a strong likelihood of it being in October. Let's take a closer look at the bot and its current functionalities. If you haven't joined yet, you can find the bot link and the Telegram group link in the description and pinned comment. The bot interface shows various tasks you can complete to earn thousands of points. For example, completing one task earns you 1,000 points, while another can grant you 999 points for free. You'll also find all video answers on our Telegram channel. Due to the surge in user registrations, the bot is experiencing heavy traffic, which might lead to occasional downtime. Please note that referral earnings are only counted after 12 hours. Once this time has passed, your earnings will be visible, and you can claim them by clicking the button. Promoting your referral link on social media can lead to significant daily rewards based on how many people join through it. Plus, being part of a clan offers an additional 10% bonus on your daily earnings. Now let's address some important points regarding the BLUM bot. It's crucial to avoid using multiple accounts on the same device. If you want to operate multiple accounts, use different devices. While the team has stated that IP addresses won't be tracked, your device information can still be identified. Most importantly, make sure to link your wallet in the designated area below, as you need to do this to receive your tokens. As we check our points on the bot, you can see the balance, reflecting in our linked Telegram or TON Keeper wallet. It's crucial to take note of the projected total supply, which seems quite realistic for a decentralized platform. Ideally between 10 to 30 billion tokens to ensure success. The starting price is projected between 5 and 7 cents, so we're hoping to gain significant profits. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.